Happy morning everybody, it's Donna from Enchanted, just showing you that the buddleias that we planted, so that we've got parent plants, mother plants for cuttings, are just beginning to set their flowers. So bearing in mind these were all what we were calling miscellaneous unlabelled buddleias, I don't know what colours they're going to be, so we just have to wait and see. This one is looking possibly, it might be the peacock or black knight. Don't know if you can see that. That's just coming up now. So watch this space. We've already got beautiful wild malva in full flower. The plantains are flowering. We've had all the beautiful buttercups. The amelanchier is full of little beautiful little berries. Let's have a look at those, which is lovely. So everything's coping, everything's surviving, everything's managing really well. And the show from the Centurion Niagara this year are going to be incredible, really something to see. And the doors will be open for you to all come and have a look at it beforehand. Also, look at my cardoon. It's the only one I could get out of the last property, and the leaves are really beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's really beginning to look something now. The very young prunus with a lovely red leaf that we planted last August is looking gorgeous, and most things seem to have survived. So here, as well as everything else, I've got the Nautia macedonica. Now this is coming up nearly 6 feet, and can you see how the tall grasses and everything else that's growing here are actually holding it up? It's not got a problem being floppy, but if you put that against that Verbena bonariensis and then the red leaf in the background, can you see how that all knits together? How pretty is that? In June, the pasture has changed from being all yellow into being mostly pink and purple. Now, because I've actively encouraged the malva, it's really quite tall in most places, taller than you normally see it by the side of the road. And it's looking really lovely against the fennel. I'm only in the car park, by the way. You'll know that when you visit me. So here I've got a real block colour of purple, as you can see. Beautiful mugwort coming up. I haven't got too many of the wild daisies this year. A lot of the time when people are trying to make what they're calling a wildflower meadow, they have one species that's dominant, and then year on year they have to try and control and do something about it. I can't pretend to be in control. I've lost control a long time ago, so I just celebrate and become really happy with everything that copes and manages. And we've got all of my parent plants, mother plants. Obviously this is the beautiful Sambucus, which is nice and stable as far as its variegation's concerned. And this is looking lovely. A little bit tired because it's been so hot. 26, 27 degrees isn't great. But the whole of this is going to turn to purple in between the plants that are coming up. Because of course we're approaching the time for the Centuria nigra, which is the UK's native knapweed. Now this is Gora. I'm going to introduce you to Lady Gora. Isn't she gorgeous? It's called French false lilac. It's a pea leaf. If I just show you that. Beautiful pea leaves. And this is the purple. This is Lavatera, not Malva. So this is what you'd have in your gardens. And I have noticed a white coming up somewhere around here. Oh, by the way, look, this is my Malva by Mandy's Woodland Glade, and this is this is coming up around about 8-9 feet at the moment. And there's that Gallagher. Let's grab that. Can you see? That's going to be the white variety. So I'm going to collect white seed from that one, purple seed from up the track, and I'm going to keep the seeds separate, and hopefully they will come true. So amongst this mass I love this mass of Malva, this will be taken over by the Centuria. Hope you enjoy the updates. Take care. Speak soon.